Welcome back everybody, I'm Adam and I'm going to show you today how to make a stroke or an outline around any object or person in Photoshop. So let's get started. Alright, so over here I have a picture of a Ford Bronco and I'm just going to do a quick outline around it, and you can do this with anything. So I've already got my image here in Photoshop, so all I'm going to do is come up here and go to my pen tool. I'm just going to enlarge this a little bit more so I can see what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to, you just want to track the image or whatever it is that you're wanting to put an outline on, and just stay as close to what you're trying to outline as possible.
Time warp.
Alright, so I've got my whole selection that I want to do here. So all you want to do from here is come up here to the top where it says make selection. Go ahead and press make selection. It's going to bring up this menu here. Make sure your feathering radius is set to 0. Otherwise, when you go to do your stroke, it's going to be feathered and not be as dark as you want it. So make sure that's set at 0. Add new selection, press OK. You'll see here on my image, you have the marching ants all around the truck as well as the outside of the image, and we don't want it on the outside of the image, so you're going to come up here to select and click on inverse, and that's going to allow it to just just to have the marching ants around the vehicle. Once you get to that point, come over to edit, stroke, and this menu is going to pop up here. I'm going to go with just white. I just want a white outline, and make sure that you're got it set to outside. This is going to do from the marching ants outward, 100% opacity, and just press OK. And there you go. Now keep in mind too that every time when you're using your pen tool, that every time you make a selection, you're going to have these jagged edges. So try to make your selection as smooth as possible. But there you go. That's how to do a stroke really quickly in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.